area. Let's see the concept of area. Area is a term used to define the amount of space taken up by a 2D shape or a surface. So children, what is area? Area is a term which is used to define the amount of space taken by a 2D shape or by a surface. What is 2D shapes? You all know. See, I have given the image here. That is a 2D shape like triangle, rectangle, circle, square and all these are 2D shape. Hence, the measure of the region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Means the area is the measure of the region. If this is a square is there, the region, what is the measure of the region enclosed in a closed figure? It should be always a closed figure. Like if the figure is like this, we cannot find the area. Okay children. Now area is measured in square units. How is the area measured? It is measured in square units. Yeah. If your parents want to put carpet in room, then they need to measure the amount of carpet to cover the floor of a room. That is measured in square units. Okay ma, if your parents want to put some carpet or what they want to buy any mat for any place, so what should they know there? They need to measure the amount of carpet to cover the floor of the room. Yes or no? So how much carpet is required? So that area, what is that area? They have to measure that, and it is measured in square units. And one square, okay, one square block is equals to one square unit. Okay ma? Now, would the area of your bedroom or the area of your house be greater? You know, you have a bedroom in your home and you have a whole house also. Yes or no? So which is bigger? Like these things we can say easily, because the house is bigger than a bedroom. Now the area of your house is greater than the area of the bedroom. That we can say without saying. But if things are there like it looks similar, and if the area is asked, can we tell? No, because house we know it's bigger. We get directly to our mind. Now next, how did you tell that? By our imagination, as whole house is bigger than room. Now you guess the area for the given below images. Now below two images are given for you, two shapes are given for you, two different shapes are given. Now they are asking you to find the area. So let's see how to find the area. For that, we cannot directly say the area of the shapes. Hence, the area is calculated as 1 square units for each square. Just before slide, we have seen that we have said you that the area is calculated in square unit, and 1 square is equal to 1 square centimeter. Yes or no? Now calculate the number of orange squares and the blue squares to find out the area of the space. To find out this, first we have to calculate how many orange squares are there for that orange one, and for the blue one we have to find out how many blues are there. For example, now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the orange space is how many square units? So the area for the orange space is 7 square units. Now next for the blue one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this, how much is the area? 6 square units. So which is bigger, the orange one or the blue one? Orange one. So understood. For these irregular shapes, how do we find out? Each square, each small square is the number that we considered as 1 square unit, and we will find out how many squares are there. So by that way we can find out the area. Hence the area of orange box is 7 square units and the blue box is 6 square units. Hence the area of the figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. So always the figure should be closed figure, and in that we have to find out how many squares are there, and each square is equal to 1 square unit, and we add it and then we get it. Now let's do this one. Let's count out for this. Yes, all of you ready? Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many we got? We got 10 square centimeters. That is, if each is 1 square centimeter, totally it is 10 square centimeters. Now next. Now this we did according by counting the squares. Yes or no? There are formulas also. By formulas also we can do it. Now first one, let's see. Area of a square formula. Now area. Method 1 is count the number of squares. So in this, if we count the number of squares, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So no. And now the second method is side into side. Area is equals to side into side. So in this side, how many are there? How many side is there? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So that is 3. And the next side, 1, 2, 3. That is 3, because both sides are equal. It will be equal for a square. So 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeters. All of you understood, children? So what is the formula for area of the square? Side square. That is side into side. Area of a square, side into side. Now, next, area of a rectangle. Now we are finding area of a rectangle. Okay. Now, first method. What we'll do it in the first method? We'll count out the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many squares are there? 6 square centimeters. Yes or no? And now, if we want to know, and the formula is area is equal to length into, we can say breadth or width. Okay. Area is equal to length into breadth. So, length is, how much is the length of this? It is 2 centimeters. And what is the width of this? It is 3 centimeters. So, totally how much? 2 into 3? 6 centimeters. Okay, children? Understood till here? Thank you.